Let me take you on a point of view day from my week-long cruise with AmaWaterways. There's no better way to start your day than looking out over the river from your personal balcony with a coffee in hand. After that, I took myself down to the main restaurant for breakfast. I started off with a yogurt bowl. This morning was cherry. The mango, I just want to say, the day prior was also delicious. Then my usual waiter Dan came over and suggested that I try the poached eggs from the a la carte menu, which, thank you Dan, were wonderful. I also want to point out that Dan remembered not only my preferences for food, but also my cameraman James's too. Great service. Dan, you are a wonderful person. After this, I headed back to my room to get ready for the first excursion of the day, riding around Vienna on bikes in the sun. So let's get our bike and go explore Vienna. We met our guide and picked up our bikes, which were waiting for us in a neat and very aesthetically pleasing row outside of our ship, the Ama Magna. Once we selected our bikes, we were off and the sun was shining. The sights were wonderful, and I couldn't believe how relaxed the city of Vienna actually feels, even though 25% of the population of Austria actually lives here. The architecture of the city is beautiful.
Every building is a palace.
And our tour guide stopped in various places to give us the details about the iconic sites and all the incredible buildings that are renowned through the world in every architectural magazine you can imagine. We stopped for a quick break and left our bikes unattended, which felt crazy, but they were all absolutely fine and trusted, and they were there when we got back. We went for a walk to find a local coffee roaster, which was a wonderful find.
Thank you so much.
And the cardamom bun was lovely. James and I shared that. We made our way back to our bikes to continue our tour. Seeing the Strauss monument as well, a golden statue just stands out incredibly in the sun. It was such a nice sight. Arriving back at the ship, we were greeted with mango tea, which was legitimately incredible. James even pulled me aside and was like,
"You have mango tea?"
Yeah, good, right?
We couldn't believe it. And now it's time for an amazing lunch. You don't know how nice it is to arrive back at your ship every day and to be greeted by, okay, your food is ready through here. Our second excursion for the day was an eye-opener. We're off to see Schönbrunn Palace. We arrived after a short trip at the palace and were astounded by the sight as we passed its gates. There was gold and paintings and chandeliers and giant gardens, an eye-wateringly luxury home to live. Do you know this song? This was a bonus excursion. We opted in to take a little nighttime excursion to see a Strauss performance at the House of Strauss. Thank you so much to Ama for arranging this extra excursion, letting us see this performance this evening. I'd actually never seen opera live before, and I know how opera singers have incredibly powerful voices, but I was absolutely stunned. That has been our 3 excursion day. I hope you've enjoyed this little point of view day for what you can expect as being a guest on the AmaWaterways cruises. On this cruise, particularly the Queen of the Danube tour. See you tomorrow. So that was a single day as an AmaWaterways guest, if you can believe it, where on the Danube, discovery and little moments make every single day special. You know, from enjoying coffee on your balcony or exploring Vienna by bike, every single moment of the service was seamless. Come here. Can you imagine doing this for 7 days? Because it was crazy. I loved it. It was the best luxury experience I've ever had. James, our cameraman, can also confirm that. Each excursion brought something completely new, whether it was palaces or pastries or enjoying Strauss's music performed at night in the House of Strauss, listening to music that I never thought I'd get to hear live, let alone in the place where it was composed. With AmaWaterways, every moment felt special and personal and thoughtfully planned to what you would like. To give you the options to choose of what you want to do as well was a part of the service that I didn't know we were going to get. I thought when we arrived, I was expecting to be like, okay, we're doing this today, and then we're doing this. No, you get the app, and then you can be like, I'd like to do that today. I'm not going to do that one. I'm going to do this one. And then in the evening, I'm going to add on the extra thing as I'd like to see the music performance that evening. So we added that on. That wasn't just part of the normal experience. You can even increase what you want to do, which is crazy, which is an amazing part of the service. And, you know, thank you to Cesario, the cruise manager, for getting us on that last minute, because we didn't think we were going to be able to make it because of filming all day. You know, that was the day in the life episode. So it was great to be able to get that on the end of the day as well. If you're ready to make some unforgettable memories, visit ParamountCruises.com and book your AmaWaterways cruise today. Your days on the river are waiting.